at the SEE Traffex Scotland in Glasgow 2019, and this event has been really successful for us. We've had a lot of interest in our stall, really good opportunities to network with different clients, potential clients, new clients. It's been really quite interesting.
It's the biggest event in Scotland, and it's just good to have a presence for the business. We want to grow the business within Scotland, so this is the place to be.
The good thing about this venue is we get to meet them all in 2 days, and we get to talk to so many people in 2 days, and that just saves us so much time. We can programme and plan and talk to different individuals in that 2 days process. It's a massive benefit.
Value the opportunity the event provides to meet new contacts, which sometimes lead to productive new working relationships and positive collaboration.
We really feel at home here in Traffex. Every year we exhibit, and this year is no exception. It's been a great exhibition, and I guess we'll be back here next year.
WSP have been to Rhodes Expo for the last 3 years in Scotland. We've had stalls at this, we've sponsored it this year. We see it as a great opportunity to meet our clients, also see what the trade's doing, what industry is doing, and see what new innovations there are out there.
Really exciting. It's been absolutely fantastic. We've had a really good high footfall in and around our particular stand. The opportunities, the leads that have come from it have been really good. And we're very excited to take them and move them into a potential sale.
I thoroughly recommend, like next year, if people wanted to come. It's a very good event to see everything that's happening, innovations across the whole of the highway industry. So it's been a very worthwhile event for us.